Hello guys, hello, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're going to talk about sewing machines. I'm going to talk about 7 things that you need to take in consideration before you buy your sewing machines. Let's get started. Yes guys, but before we start this nice conversation, please guys put a like, subscribe to the channel, and after at the end please leave a comment. Yes, so let's get started. Okay, sewing machine. I think that you know already what a sewing machine is. So guys, 7 things that you need to take in consideration before you going to start looking for a sewing machine. So number 1, stitch options. The mainly stitch that you're going to use even for your craft project, for clothing, it's the straight stitch or zigzag stitch. But nowadays a lot of machines, they come with extra stitches. Yes, a mailing machine that comes with extra stitches, but a normal or very basic sewing machine will come with buttonhole stitch, blind M stitch, stretch stitch, it's like the zigzag. Yes, they will come with that, so you need to take in consideration these stitches. Let's go to number 2, bells and whistles. What does it mean? Bells and whistles means the extra features that comes with your machine, like warranty, service, the buttonhole, if you're going to have the 4 steps one or the 1 step. So these things you need to take in consideration. They are very important. Okay, so we talk about stitch options, we talk about bells and whistles, the additional features they may come with your machines. Number 3, the weight and size of the machines. You need to take into consideration as well. If you're going to sew regularly, if you're going to take to the classes, to the sewing classes, so it's important for you to have something light that you can carry all the time and you can lift up and storage by yourself without any problem, right? Number 4, we got budget. Okay, budget is very important for you to buy something or looking for something that goes according to your budget. You need to check how much do you want to spend on machine. So quality, look for something that is affordable and quality as well. The most important thing, make sure that you read all the reviews and the feedbacks, the comments. It's very important. It's going to help you a lot to decide which one to buy. Number 5, service and warranty. Guys, please make sure before you buy a machine that you look for a dealer, a shop, or even online, or if you go on the high street to buy, places like Argos or online like eBay, Amazon. Make sure that you will have a long warranty, because if something happens with your machine, if you break machine, that you will have a chance to fix it for free, because the warranties, they covers a lot of problems that your machine will have. So be aware of this as well. Make sure that you buy a machine that you can do the service by yourself, that you can clean it and oil it without problems. My machine, for example, I just need to do the cleaning, clean the dust I don't need to put the oil because on the instructions on the manual was say that the machine comes with the oil. It's completely oily to last like 5-6 years, so I don't need to worry about it. So make sure that you do that as well. So number 6, guys, so we have now number 6. So do you want to have a machine that is mechanical, electronical, or computerized? So yes, guys, you have these 3 types of sewing machines in the market at the moment. The mechanical ones, they are the basic ones, but they are very, very reliable. They come with a pedal foot, the buttonhole. Sometimes many of them they come with 4 steps, so you need to do the settings and do it. Yeah, so the electronic ones, they are in the middle. They are between the computerized and the mechanical, and they are affordable. And you have the computerized. They are very, very, very expensive. Everything is automatic, and they are very fast as well. So guys, it's up to you that which one you want to choose, but for beginner, my advice is to buy a mechanical one, to start with a mechanical one, because you will have more control what are you doing, the work that you are doing. So yes, a mechanical one for a beginner. Yes, guys, now for last we have attachment. Attachments means the accessories that comes with your machines, like the foot. So most of the machines, they come with zipper foot, hemming foot, buttonhole foot, button foot. So make sure that your machine comes with all of these, because if you're going to buy all these accessories by yourself, single, individually, it will be quite expensive, and you don't want to do that. So you don't want to buy more money with these accessories, because you need to save, or maybe you need to save your money to buy the materials that you want to sew or other things, right? So, and you already you calculate your budget, so you don't want to go over your budget. So make sure that you take this in consideration, guys. So I'm going to put here some of the machines that I think they are suitable for beginners. They are reliable, they are affordable, and they have a nice quality. But make sure that you look for brands like Janum, Bernina, Puff, Brother, Singer. These brands, they are very well known with their sewing machine. So yeah. Yes, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and the most important, share this with someone that you think they likes to sew, want to learn sewing skills. So please, guys, share, and yes, see you on the next video. Bye, take care.